Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Sherry. Welcome to my kitchen. This is for HHH Summer Camp 2020 and our first week is we are all in this together. Even though we are tall, short, old, young, we're all different, but like caterpillars and snails like we're going to make today, it reminds us that we are significant and that we do have a part to play with this COVID-19 epidemic. So the first thing we do is wash our hands when we're handling food. So I'm going over to the kitchen and soaping my hands and washing them thoroughly before we get started. The next thing we need to do when we're working with food is to wash our vegetables and our fruits thoroughly. I have already done mine, but in your packets you will have different things like tomatoes and cucumbers, and you'll need to wash them and let them dry before you get started in making your caterpillars or your snails. So here we have cream cheese, peanut butter, edible eyes, celery, tomatoes, cucumber, some blueberries, a kiwi, an apple, some grapes, and an orange. Now you might not have all of these in your packet, but you'll have some of them, enough to make your celery, caterpillars, and snails. So let's get started. In your packet, you have vegetables and fruit, peanut butter and cream cheese, and eyes. And you also have a recipe. Every week you'll get a recipe. So we need to look at it, and it tells us how we're going to make these. So first, we take our celery, and you either can use a plastic knife or a table knife. And you just spread some peanut butter on it, or cream cheese, your choice. See if I can do that. Okay. Now, what do I want to make first? I think I'll start with the caterpillar. And I'm going to just take some blueberries and stick them on. All right, so he's on, and he needs some eyes. So let's, whoops, he fell down. Let's put him on our plate, if he'll stand up. And we'll put on his eyes. Okay, here are 2 eyes. And we stick these on with peanut butter. So you're just going to take a little bit of peanut butter and dab it on and bring it over to your blueberry and stick it on. And then take the other one and try to stick it kind of by it. And there we have the caterpillar. All right, let's do a snail. We have our celery, and I'm going to use cream cheese this time. And we're gonna pack it in there. All right, now we're ready for this actual shell part, and I think I want to use a kiwi. So let's put him on, and then let's take one of our cashews for the head, and now here comes the tricky part, the eye. See if I can get him to stand up halfway decent. And if you're like me, I am messy, so I have a little towel here I wipe my fingers on before I do something else. Okay, we're gonna put on 2 eyes now. The eyes. And we're gonna use the cream cheese to hopefully hold them on. So let's put a little cream cheese on the eye. And we're going to stick it right on the shell. And then we'll take the other eye and more cream cheese. And we'll stick it on the shell, on the nut. All right. So I think he looks pretty good, but I think as a snail, he should have a tail. So I'm going to take one of my little pieces of celery, and I'm just going to bring it up for his tail. And there he is, Mr. Snail. So you can have fun this afternoon creating all kinds of caterpillars and snails, and use whatever ingredients you like, because the best part of all is to be able to eat them after you're done. So I think I'll try the caterpillar first. Good. Now we're going to have some fun making the second recipe on your list. It is mac and cheese in a microwave cup. You have received a microwave cup. You'll need the macaroni and cheese, and it's a 1/3 cup, and it was already measured for you. You'll need some cheddar cheese, a 1/2 cup, and it's been measured. A 1/4 cup of milk, and you have water at home, so you get to use your own water for this. Now we're going to mix our ingredients. The first thing is we'll put our water into the microwavable cup. And that is, let's see, our recipe says 1/2 cup of water, so you had to measure that at home. And then we have 1/3 cup of macaroni, and we'll put that in with the water. And now we're going to head over to the microwave. Okay, we're going to put it in our microwave for 2 minutes on high power. Okay, now we're going to take it out and see if our noodles look like they're cooked. And as you can see, these are still rather firm. So I'm going to put them, after stirring, I'm putting them back in the microwave. And I noticed it kind of ran over. So I'm going to get a paper towel right over here and just put it under my cup. I don't know if it'll overflow again, but let's not take any chances. Okay, I'm going to try 30 seconds, and I will keep doing about 30 seconds until I am sure that the noodles are cooked the way I want them. All right, let's see if they're done this time. I have my spoon ready, and I still like my noodles just a little bit mushier, so I'm going to put it in for another 30 seconds. Not all microwaves are the same, so we just have to watch our time closely. It might cook a little longer on yours or a little shorter. We just have to check it and stir it each time. So let's see how we did. Just the way I like it. All the water is absorbed. Ooh, they look yummy. So let's take this over to the table. Now we're going to add our 1/4 cup of milk. and our 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. And then we're just going to kind of stir that around a little bit. And it's going to go back to the microwave. All right, let's put it in the microwave. Our recipe says 30 to 60 seconds. I'm going to try 30 seconds first. And then if I need more time, I'll add another 30 seconds. All right, let's open this up and see what we've got. Ooh, nice and cheesy, but I think I'm gonna add another 30 seconds. The milk hasn't mixed in still, so let's do our cheese and another. Ooh, look at that gooey cheese, yum. Okay, let's do the 30 seconds more. All right, let's see what we have now. Oh, much better. Look at this yummy, cheesy mac and cheese. I do like pepper and salt on mine, but you can eat it with like this, or you can add some salt and pepper if you like. So have fun and enjoy. It was a fun time spending with you. I hope you enjoyed today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.